Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about compact SUVs of 2025, the all-new Kia Syros. This sub-4 meter SUV is Kia's latest entrant in a highly competitive segment. So, is it just another pretty face or a serious contender? Let's find out. Exterior design. First impressions? The Syros looks bold and futuristic. It takes design cues from Kia's flagship EV9, especially the boxy profile, squared-off wheel arches, and that new signature star map LED DRL up front. The blacked-out grille and chunky bumpers give it a rugged, urban SUV vibe. It's compact, but it definitely has presence. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that blends minimalism with modern tech. There's a wide, floating touchscreen and digital instrument cluster, both likely to be 10.25 inches on the higher trims. Kia's gone with a layered dashboard design, soft touch materials in key areas, and ambient lighting for that premium feel. Rear seat space is generous for a car this size, and the boot is expected to be around 350 to 400 liters, practical enough for city families. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Syros is expected to launch with a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine and a more powerful 1.0-liter turbo petrol option, the same one seen in the Sonata. Gearbox choices will include a 5-speed manual and a 7-speed DCT. Power figures could range from 83 PS to 120 PS, depending on the variant. It's tuned more for city comfort than aggressive performance, but the turbo model should offer some excitement. Features and tech. Kia never disappoints on features. Expect wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, cruise control, a sunroof, wireless charging, and possibly ventilated front seats on higher trims. Safety-wise, it should offer 6 airbags, ESC, hill start assist, and a rear-view camera. ADAS features are unlikely at launch but could come later. Pricing and competition. Pricing is expected to start around 7.5 Indian rupees lakh and go up to 12.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. That puts it right against rivals like the Tata Punch, Hyundai Exter, Maruti Fronx, and Citroën C3. But with its premium styling and feature-rich package, the Syros could really shake up the segment. Pros. Striking EV9-inspired design. Feature-packed cabin. Turbo engine option available. Likely strong build quality and safety. Cons. No diesel or hybrid variant. Unknown real-world mileage. No ADAS or 360 camera, yet. Final verdict. So, should you wait for the Kia Syros? Absolutely, if you're looking for a stylish, well-equipped compact SUV with proven Kia reliability. It's shaping up to be a serious player in 2025's most competitive segment. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you choose the Syros over the Punch or Franks? Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Meet in the next video.